How to rearrange your Instagram profile grid. So this is a new feature on Instagram that lets you rearrange and reorder your Instagram posts. Now to do this, just go and load up the Instagram app and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. Now once you're on your profile page, just go and hold down on the photo that you want to reorder and then select Reorder Grid. Now here you'll find all of your Instagram posts. And all you simply need to do is hold your finger down on the photo that you want to rearrange, and then you can go and reposition this on your Instagram grid. Now you can do this with as many photos as you want to reorder. If you make a mistake, you can just click on undo in the top right hand side. Once you're finished, click on the back arrow in the top left hand side. You can then refresh your Instagram profile, and as you can see, all of our photos have now been reordered. You can also pin photos to the top of your Instagram feed, and you can do that just by holding down on a photo, and you can select pin to main grid, and that means this photo will always display at the top of your feed.